Are you tired of complicated paperwork and delays with net metering? No more net metering hassles. Say goodbye to long waits, approvals, and unpredictable billing. With Nuevo Renewable Energy's off-grid and hybrid solar solutions, you don't need net metering to start saving today. Our advanced battery-backed systems store solar energy for day and night use, giving you complete energy independence. Power your home during the day and enjoy backup at night. No dependency on the grid. Whether it's load shedding, rising electricity costs, or just the hassle of net metering, Nuevo Renewable Energy has you covered. Fast installation, hassle-free setup, 24/7 customer support, all with zero need for net metering. Going solar with Nuevo was honestly the best decision. No more bills, no more waiting, just clean, reliable power. Make the switch to smart solar with no net metering needed. Call Nuevo Renewable Energy now at 030-111-99979. Start your solar journey today. Your power, your control.